Avianca 052 Heavy New York, good evening, climb maintain 3000.
We're climbing up 10,000 and we're running out of fuel.
Okay, fly heading at 080. And Avianca 052 Heavy, I'm going to bring you about 15 miles northeast and then turn you back home for the approach. Is that fine with you and your fuel?
I guess so, thank you very much.
Avianca 52, climb maintain 3000.
Negative, sir, we're just running out of fuel. We're good. Okay, 3,000, I'll be good.
Okay, turn left heading 310, sir.
310, Avianca 052. Avianca 052 just lost 2 engines and we need the priority, please.
Avianca 052, turn left heading 250, intercept the localizer.
Right.
Avianca 052, you have enough fuel to make it to the airport? Avianca 052, radar contact lost.